Voytec Decorator Ltd installs wallpaper with precision and design expertise. Misaligned seams and bubbles can ruin even the most beautiful wallpaper. Our decorators prepare each wall for perfect adhesion and alignment. We handle textured, metallic, and designer wallpapers with professional care. Patterns are matched accurately to create seamless, balanced results. Wallpaper adds warmth, texture, and individuality to any interior. Clients appreciate our tidy, organized approach and dependable workmanship. We install feature walls, hallways, and full room coverings with precision. Each installation is completed with long-lasting quality and design awareness. Wallpaper transforms plain rooms into spaces with personality and depth. Call Voytec Decorator Ltd at 07738 736 123 to schedule your wallpaper installation.